Hey you, do you want to wake up feeling not too cold tucked in your blanket or hot causing you to sweat in the morning? Then we have a solution. With the alarm fan, you could feel a breeze or heat from a fan at a certain time of your choosing. This will also help so you won't leave the fan/heater the whole night so the fan won't leave you too cold or hot but rather wake you up at a time you wake up for a certain period of time when you could choose, 30 seconds or so. This will help society by giving people a better mood in the morning and simply feel better. So you can set it up at any time for you to operate for a certain amount of time. So our product should be metal because it needs to have a good conductor of electricity. It also needs to be strong and also needs to look nice. So the chemical properties we need to make is that we need to make sure it was non-toxic and inflammable, so it won't burn up or make other people sick. The physical property requirements included that it should be a good conductor of electricity, have a high boiling point, and strong. So let's talk about all the materials needed. So let's talk about aluminum. With aluminum, Al. Aluminum is good for the cover because it's lightweight, it's non-toxic, it's a good conductor of electricity, and it's non-flammable, so it won't burn up. The next material we'll talk about is nickel. It has a high boiling temperature, so it won't melt the grill, so the heater won't melt the the when the wind goes to it, and it has a high strength, so it won't break or erode. The copper wiring (Cu) is good for wires because it could be shaped into a wire and easily malleable, which means it could change shape easily, and is a good conductor of electricity, so electric could pass through. So the elements that would not work is fluorine and selenium. It's because they would be poor conductors of electricity. Barium would be flammable, so we don't want it to burn up. For plutonium, it will be too radioactive and toxic, and it will not be healthy for people to use. And there's also gold for all the coding in the electric clock, but there's a lot of materials. And now, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider buying our product.